it's your girl SHAUNA Controlla representing for Big Hole Records. Tell the publishing and mastering for this one and go on. Cause the whole world knows say you're suffering like dog. Hear me? No man can't tell me say me have a big pum pum. No man could tell me say me have a big pum pum. No man can't tell me say me have a big pum pum. No man could tell me say me have a big pum pum. Big Hole stop away from 1985. Lord, a tight one like mine is so hard to find.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible and ready know the deal, my peeps. My days of tell no what I go on for not to go on that dancehall. So let's just kick it off with SHAUNA Controlla, boss. An unforgettable case, you can see. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. SHAUNA come out wicked pan the girl and say, you know, I know big old settings run here, so you know. You see me, I say, and I fear man, I tell her that, you know what I mean? But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Kay said she's not trying to give SHAUNA no play. You see me, I say, so let's hear fear response to all of this madness. You see me?
When see Papa, you be? It don't go up there. It never trend none at all. A fanboy internet, you know. A fanboy blood clot internet, you know. Bet you didn't make fanboy write that song the fear, you know. His song never trend. That's why I should run out back again. I will now make it trend. SHAUNA, my days of giving you publicity, recognition done.
So you don't know the thing said, SHAUNA did up on Reggae Sunfest the other day and I guess you got some song bubbling but I guess it's not trending. So you know the thing said, controversy sells. So yeah, Kay says she's not feeling, you know, feeling to that. Just what I say. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next topic. And it has to do with paparazzi Apple. Sender the other day sent me a message saying that, you know, homegirl got locked up last week at, you know, Roosevelt Field Mall in New York at Aloe. You see what I say, when we check, you know, with the state to see what going for it to go on, we see she did indeed get arrested April of 2026. You see my her next appearance, I think it's in August, but yeah, you do know she's on probation for the Lululemon business. You see my this is not a good look, as you know, she's not allowed to be around Lululemon stores and all of this stuff. And I have to really go read back to her probation terms to see if she's not allowed to steal and all of these things. You see me? Because it's not a good look to be getting locked up for like the same thing that, you know, you on probation for. You see me saying, you know, she don't have no papers too. So not only might your probation get revoked and she have to do jail time, this might actually trigger off, you know, the deportation thing. You see what I say? But me let you know what I want for that to go on when we get some more information at hand. You see me? No VYBZ KARTEL have Foota Hype crashing out because, you know, Foota Hype can't troll him with the rich life. So, you know, Foota Hype is getting real disrespectful and telling them to take off the glasses and all of these things because, you know, saying him have the GD, so, you know, say, I'm nothing, you know, for talk about, you see what I say, but Foota just wants, you know, people to laugh at him and all of this stuff. So let's hear what Foota has to say, then we'll get to what VYBZ KARTEL has to say that triggered this all off, you see me?
Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Oh, me wake up and me not see no video from Gay Charles. Oh, man, we can't see, man, we can't take off your glasses. Get up and make a video. Sky Dweller, from the British woman Ghana, you and him asleep. Tap him on him shoulder and wake him up. And me alone sleep. Me nah no work. Me nah nothing do. Me hate my baby mother, them and all of them hate me. So me have time to troll. It's trolling time. Wake up, Gay Charles. Wake up. Freaky Wonder, wake him up. Take the crutches out of his mouth. Wake him up. Now. War time.
And no, this is because, you know, Foota Hype is pocket watching, you know, a next man's pocket. When his woman, well, yeah, saying that he's not doing a good job. But nevertheless, this is what VYBZ KARTEL says about his the broke and lazy ear to them, you see me?
Good morning, guys. What's up? This is VYBZ KARTEL. Just chilling by one of my pools in one of my houses, having some freshly squeezed orange juice. And I was thinking, all my haters are asleep. These lazy motherfuckers are still in bed, bro. And I'm sure you don't even have a good bed. Why are you in it? Why are you even sleeping, bro? It's crazy work. Yeah, I got shit to do, so I gotta be up. Gotta count this money.
Anyway, peeps, I should have a quick update while I go on for not to go on. So do the right thing and subscribe to the king and check out these next suggested videos in the slip on the screen. In the meantime, bless.